Finding the right kitchen gadgets can be overwhelming, especially with so many options on the market. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 20 best Amazon kitchen gadgets that are actually worth it, showcasing tools designed to save you time, simplify cooking, and bring a touch of innovation to your daily routine. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future Amazon finds. Let's get started. This electric slicer makes meal prep effortless. With 4 interchangeable cones, it slices and shreds vegetables, fruits, cheese, nuts, and even chocolate. The powerful motor and large food chamber handle everything from hash browns to coleslaw with ease. Its adjustable food guide accommodates both large and small loads, while the funnel guide ensures precision. Compact and easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts, this versatile tool saves time and simplifies your kitchen routine. This pasta press attachment makes fresh, homemade pasta a breeze with your KitchenAid stand mixer. Featuring 6 interchangeable discs, it allows you to create spaghetti, rigatoni, fusilli, and more with ease. The built-in wire cutter lets you customize pasta lengths, while the stainless steel cleaning tool ensures effortless maintenance. Dishwasher-safe components and a compact storage case keep everything organized. Perfect for pasta lovers, it's a versatile and convenient addition to your kitchen. This all-in-one storage station redefines efficiency with 8 essential tools and a deluxe cutting board. Featuring 14 Super Seal containers in 5 sizes, it offers 20% more capacity for organized storage. The seamless cutting board ensures easy scrap disposal with dual removable bins, while upgraded tools like a zester, juicer, and garlic crusher simplify meal prep. A non-slip base adds stability, and the built-in storage keeps everything tidy. With a tablet stand included, it's perfect for mess-free, streamlined cooking. This titanium cutting board is perfect for both meat and vegetables, combining durability and functionality. Its non-porous surface resists odors and stains, ensuring added hygiene during food prep. Designed with a built-in juice groove to catch liquids and a garlic grinding area, it saves time and keeps your kitchen tidy. Dishwasher safe and equipped with a silicone anti-slip frame, it offers stability and ease of use. A practical and versatile addition to elevate your cooking experience. This mini bag sealer is a kitchen must-have for sealing and cutting food bags with ease. Designed to keep snacks and treats fresh, it seals various bag types, reducing waste and preventing spills. No preheating required, just press, seal, and enjoy airtight storage. Its compact portable design includes a magnetic strip and lanyard for convenient storage at home or on the go. Ideal for kitchens, travel, or camping, this handy gadget simplifies food storage. This automatic pot stirrer takes the hassle out of cooking with hands-free convenience. With adjustable arms, it fits pots ranging from 6 to 10.2 inches in diameter, making it versatile for various recipes. Cordless and rechargeable, it offers 2 stirring speeds for perfect results, from smooth sauces to hearty stews. BPA-free and designed for smart cooking, this gadget saves time while enhancing flavor. Recharge in 2 hours and let it handle the stirring while you focus on other tasks. This Mandoline Slicer upgrades your kitchen routine with hidden sharp blades for uniform slicing and chopping. Simply place food in the chute, push the handle, and adjust thickness from 0.1 to 8 millimeters for slices, strips, or juliennes. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, and more. Built with durable stainless steel blades and a non-slip base, it offers stability and ergonomic ease. Compact, foldable, and easy to clean, it includes a food collection container and brush for hassle-free maintenance. This automatic pasta maker takes the hassle out of homemade pasta. It mixes, kneads, and extrudes 2 to 3 servings in just 15 minutes. No drying needed. With 7 interchangeable discs, you can create various pasta shapes like spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine. Its built-in scale ensures perfect ingredient ratios every time. Plus, the convenient storage drawer keeps all attachments organized. Experiment with unique flavors using vegetable juices or spices and elevate your pasta game effortlessly. This onion holder slicer makes precise slicing effortless. Equipped with 10 stainless steel forks, it offers a secure grip, ensuring even cuts for onions, tomatoes, lemons, and meats. Its versatile design works for various fruits, vegetables, and proteins, making it a must-have kitchen tool. The ergonomic handle replaces your hands for safer slicing while saving time on tedious tasks. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, this slicer simplifies meal prep with convenience and efficiency. This silicone stretch lid creates an airtight seal to keep food fresh while fitting bowls, jars, and containers of all shapes. Made from food-grade silicone, they're safe, durable, and stretchable, perfect for everyday kitchen needs. They're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Use them as heat-resistant mats or non-slip aids for jars and cutting boards. These eco-friendly lids are a sustainable alternative to plastic wraps, helping you reduce waste while keeping your food fresh and your kitchen organized. This pasta pot is a versatile kitchen essential, perfect for cooking longer pasta like spaghetti or lasagna. Its elongated oval design and lockable strainer lid make draining water safe and spill-free. With heat-resistant handles, it ensures a secure grip while cooking. The durable aluminum construction features a PFOA-free nonstick interior for even heating and easy cleanup. Ideal for pasta, soups, veggies, and more, this pot is a must-have for home chefs. This French fry cutter makes slicing potatoes effortless with its robust restaurant-grade 1/2-inch blade. The ergonomic extended handle ensures smooth single-lever action for cutting potatoes, carrots, or cucumbers with ease. Its spacious cutter box fits large potatoes, eliminating the need for pre-cutting and slices the entire potato in one go. Compact yet durable, it saves space and is easy to clean, making it perfect for homemade fries or veggie sticks. Upgrade your kitchen with this efficient and versatile tool. These pot holder clips are essential for safely lifting hot dishes, bowls, and pans from air fryers, microwaves, or ovens. Made with durable stainless steel and anti-skid ABS handles, they provide a secure, slip-free grip without damaging your cookware. Each gripper can lift up to 5 pounds, and using both ensures added stability for heavier items. Designed with silicone pads for extra strength, they're easy to use and dishwasher safe. A must-have tool for hassle-free, safe kitchen handling. This ice cream maker lets you create homemade treats in just 20 to 30 minutes. Perfect for ice cream, sorbet, or milkshakes, its double-insulated bowl ensures creamy results after pre-freezing for 12+ hours. Compact and portable, it's ideal for families or couples, making 1 to 2 servings with ease. Quiet, low-noise operation and the convenience of USB-C recharging, allowing up to 3 uses per charge. With simple push-button controls and easy-to-clean parts, it's the ultimate gadget for ice cream lovers. This Rotato Express makes prepping fruits and vegetables effortless. From potatoes to kiwis, it peels a variety of produce with precision, no holding required. The non-slip base ensures stability during operation, while the included thumb knife handles delicate tasks like paring. With 2 spare blades stored underneath, it's built for long-term use. Plug-and-play convenience with the included 6-volt adapter makes it ready to use anytime. A must-have gadget for quick, mess-free peeling. This glass popcorn popper delivers fast, gourmet popcorn in minutes without the need for oil or butter. The temperature-safe borosilicate glass ensures even popping, while the dual-function lid measures kernels and melts butter for perfect results. Ideal for movie nights or healthy snacking, it's a reusable alternative to prepackaged bags with unwanted chemicals. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, it's easy to use and clean. The wide-mouth design and ergonomic handle add convenience, making homemade popcorn healthier and hassle-free. This milk frother wand creates rich, creamy foam in seconds, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, or hot chocolate. Powered by 2 batteries, its compact design makes it easy to use and store. The durable metal stand ensures convenient access, while cleanup is effortless. Just rinse under running water and turn it on briefly. Achieve barista-quality froth at home and elevate your coffee game with this ultra-fast handheld drink mixer. This breakfast maker station combines dual non-stick griddles and a built-in toast drawer for a complete morning meal. Cook eggs, pancakes, or bacon on the top griddles while toasting 2 slices of bread below. The adjustable timer ensures perfectly cooked results, while the tempered glass lid with a steam vent lets you monitor your food. Cool touch handles provide safety, making it easy to move. A compact, all-in-one solution for quick, hassle-free breakfasts. This rapid egg cooker makes preparing eggs effortless. It can cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, as well as poached eggs, scrambled eggs, and omelets with the push of a button. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. The auto shutoff feature adds safety, and all accessories, including the trays and measuring cup, are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. A must-have for quick, perfect breakfasts. This whipped cream dispenser elevates your culinary creations with ease. Made from durable aluminum, it's built for daily use. offering leak-free performance with a sleek black satin finish. Perfect for crafting whipped cream, keto desserts, nitro cold brew, and even homemade butter. This versatile tool includes 3 decorating nozzles for professional presentation. Easy to clean with the included brush, it's compatible with standard 8-gram N2O chargers. A must-have for chefs and home cooks seeking creativity in the kitchen.